As you can see, I have no lipstick on today, and that is because we're gonna try a brand I haven't tried before. It is called AINIPINK. We're going to try a matte lipstick, and guess what? We have all 8 of the shades. So we are going to pick out one that goes with this, but we're gonna try them all out, swatch them all out. Probably won't put them all on, but like, I'm gonna swatch them and then we'll decide. Straight out of the box, this is what the container looks like. I think that is really pretty. That is a nice little clear moment right there. This is number 1. They don't have names, they just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which I'm okay with rather than a name that makes no sense to me. But this is a shade number 1. These are all basically brownish, pinks, reds, kind of basic colors, neutral colors, colors that I feel like would go with most any look. There are all 8 shades. Those are really pretty. It did feel very creamy going on my arm. We'll see if it feels creamy on my lips. So for the look that I have on today, I'm kind of leaning towards 1, 3, and 4, and 6. So that's 4 colors. I want to try all 4 colors and see which one I like the best with this particular eye look. Okay, we are starting off with number 5. Ooh, I really like that. That is a nice bold look. That is really pretty. Although I think this does go with the eye look, I don't want something as dark for today. But I do like that. That is pretty. This one is dark too, so probably won't be wearing it today. But I'm going to go ahead and put it on because I do think this color still goes with the overall look. I think it's just a little too red for what I got going on. It's a really pretty color. Again, it goes on smooth, glides real smooth. Looks really good and even, so I'm happy. Okay, this is number 3. This is more along the lines I was thinking as far as color density, but let's try it. I actually think this one might be the winner. I really like it. I'm gonna try the last one, which is number 1, and then we'll decide between 1 and 2. Okay, this is 1. This one's too pink, so I'm gonna go back to number 3. I think 3 is the winner for what I'm doing today. There is the color on. Now, I don't have it lined. I just use the lip color, and of course you can line it to deepen the look if you want and define it more. I'm perfectly fine with it looking like this. But one thing I do like to do with a matte is to give it a little bit of a pout. You can either go a shade lighter, but I like to take just a dab of gloss because it also helps keep my lips moist because they get dry easy, or gloss, lip oil, whatever, and just right there. See, there you go, instant pout. See that? Love these lipsticks. I think they're gorgeous. Highly recommend. Check them out.